I'm Sharni Narayana, Director of Narayana Educational Institutions, India. Most of the students have written the NEET examination, which was scheduled on 13th September and did extremely well. However, there are few students who did not reach their expectations. Don't worry, don't get depressed. There's always a second chance. Becoming a doctor is not an easy job. Many people dream of becoming a doctor, but only few students who are extremely determined in life can achieve that ambition. You'll have a lot of thoughts in your mind regarding NEET, whether I should take up NEET 2021, whether taking up a break of 1 year and preparing for NEET is worth. So today I would like to take this opportunity to clarify all your questions. Question number 1. Do you think it's advisable for me to go for online mode of preparation for NEET 2021? Definitely, with the entire pandemic crisis around, you should go for online mode of preparation for NEET 2021. Many students might be wondering, NEET is offline, what is the point of writing online exams? But the best way of preparation right now is taking up online exams. Once the situation subsides, once the situation becomes to normal, you can again get back to writing offline examinations. Second question. Do you think it's worth repeating 1 year and writing NEET 2021? If you're very ambitious in life, if you really want to become a doctor, no matter what the situation is, definitely you should repeat an year and write NEET 2021. As I said, many people have that dream, but only few people who are very determined, ambitious and courageous can fulfill that ambition. So be that one person who can fulfill your dream and ambition. My third question. Why Narayana is the right choice for NEET? Ever since the lockdown has been announced, we, the Narayana group, made sure that the education must go on. So as soon as the lockdown has been announced, we shifted to online mode of learning. With the best faculty, with the best learning equipment, with the best learning mechanism, with n number of permutations and combinations, we made sure that the student fulfills their ambition. Today, let me give you a clarity on whether you should take up an entire year for preparation for NEET and write NEET 2021. First, you're not satisfied with your result. Second, you're determined to get into a college but you could not get because of the poor result. Third, you could not write the examination because of unavoidable situation. Fourth, as you all know, private colleges are pretty expensive to afford, and with my NEET score, I cannot get a good college, and that's why I want to take up NEET 2021. Last minute studying will not help you get an extraordinary result in NEET 2021. You need a lot of confidence, you need a lot of revision, you need a lot of thorough mechanism for preparation in order to crack NEET 2021. Following these mechanisms will definitely help you get a rank in NEET 2021. Make a plan, have a plan and a fixed timetable right from day one, and do not deviate while preparing for the final examination. Take your lectures very seriously and make sure that you clarify the doubts on spot. The third and the most important tip is to revise daily. Fourth, make sure that you're aware of the error analysis which is provided by the Narayana institutions. And fifth, make sure that you rectify the common errors. I repeat, the common errors which you make in your examination. Make sure you do not neglect the NCERT textbook, especially the boxes of the NCERT textbook. Make sure you write each and every exam like a final exam with utmost determination and attitude. You write a lot of speed tests, put a particular time for a particular subject and make sure that you complete that subject in that allocated time. You revise thoroughly and you practice each and every day without no excuses. In this way, you can get an extraordinary result of what you determine. That you write each and every exam with utmost preparation like a final exam. You take a lot of speed tests. For any competitive examination, speed is very important, and that is the key to success. You allocate a particular time for every subject and you complete that subject in that particular time. Make sure you revise and you know the pattern of the previous year's question papers. For any competitive examination, stress is an important player. Throughout these 2 years, definitely students, while preparing, they will undergo stress. But if you can find mechanisms to solve that stress, definitely that is enough to get you an extraordinary result in the final examination. What makes Narayana unique? CDF, one-to-one approach, thorough R&D, adapting to the latest pattern of examination, error analysis, in-depth one-to-one common error rectification, NCERT focus, especially while you're preparing for competitive examinations, the best well-experienced faculty, and at the same time being thorough of your pros and cons, your strengths and weaknesses while preparing for any competitive examinations. In a way, in-depth analysis by your adapted staff. While joining in any institution to prepare NEET, it is extremely important that you consider all the above factors that I have discussed in making a right choice. I'll be extremely happy if we, the Narayana Institution, help you build your career. All the best for all the students who are preparing for NEET 2021. I hope you make a right decision that will shape your life into better doctors of tomorrow.